Welcome to my channel STEPAhead with a new video. Lemon enjoys a global eminence thanks to its incredible health benefits. Freshly squeezed lemon juice doesn't stop at just giving the food items a delicious taste. Several advantages are also associated with the consumption of this tangy juice. Please subscribe and watch this video until the end to know the complete information. This is what will happen to your body when you drink 1 glass of lemon water every day. 1 prevents cancer. Lemon is well known for its richness in multi-purpose flavonoid compounds which defend your body against different types of cancer. Thus, regular consumption of lemon juice ensures the prevention of cancerous cells. To treat the upset stomach, lemon juice is a marvelous drink for people who are suffering from an upset stomach. Digestive problems like diarrhea or constipation make you feel uncomfortable. In addition to botching up your daily routine to deal with such problems, take 1 glass lemon water at the start of the new day. 3 good for liver. One of the main advantages of lemon juice is its assistance in improving the liver function and flushing out the toxins from the body. This zesty fruit increased the production of bile in the body that is required for breaking down the fats and lipids for assists in dealing with infections. Lemons contain a high amount of vitamin C, which is essential for strengthening the immune system, so consuming it in any form is a natural way to prevent viral infections like cold and flu. Lemon water also aids in treating urinary tract infections. 5 best for hypertension patients. People who don't consume sufficient amount of potassium are at higher risks of getting affected by cardiological disorders. Lemon juice contains a satisfactory amount of potassium, so it can help in reducing the risks of such problems. 6 freshens your breath. The lemon juice freshens your breath in addition to providing relief from gingivitis and tooth pain. To attain this bed, don't brush your teeth right after drinking lemon water. 7 facilitates in reducing weight. Lemon juice is the best facilitator for reducing weight as the high amount of pectin fiber in this juice benefits your body's fight against hunger cravings. Drinking a solution of freshly squeezed lemon juice and water is an effectual remedy for losing extra pounds naturally. Lemon juice for weight loss is a tip that has worked for many. 8 balances pH levels. You will be surprised to learn that inside the human body, lemon juice acts as an alkalizing food. Despite being acidic, it doesn't produce acidity in the body. Hence, this excellent drink should be consumed to keep the pH levels normal. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends and family.